How to fix NVIDIA FPS drop and performance issues. Update your NVIDIA graphics driver to the latest version from the official website. Restart your computer after installing the new driver so the update works properly. Open NVIDIA Control Panel and set Power Management Mode to prefer maximum performance. Change the Windows power plan to high performance for better system speed. Close unnecessary background apps using Task Manager to free system resources. Lower heavy graphics settings in your game to reduce GPU workload. Disable overlays from apps like Discord or Steam to prevent FPS drops. Update your games regularly to receive the latest performance improvements. Make sure the monitor cable is connected to the graphics card on desktop PCs. Enable hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling in Windows graphics settings. Scan your computer with Windows Security to remove malware. Clean dust inside the PC case to keep the GPU temperature lower. Disable unnecessary startup programs so the system runs smoother. Restart the computer sometimes to refresh memory and improve performance. Thank you for watching.